So you have so many beautiful rhododendrons, and you want to know, how do you prune them so that they stay lush and they're not leggy? So this is an example, and I said, let's start with, what shape would you like it to be? You want it kind of to fill in the space and be healthy, not be overly manicured. What I would start with first is taking off these lower ones here, okay? So all the way at the bottom. Let's get rid of all of these little leggy ones. First of all, they're going down. Second of all, let's let the plant use its energy on focusing on going up. All these little guys in the middle, they're kind of discolored. I want to get rid of all of these little guys here, okay? So that then the new growth can form on the heavy-duty branches, okay? You want to be able to see the trunk, because if you can see the trunk, the sun can see the trunk, then new growth can come. Little things like this, where it's growing down especially, get rid of that. Okay?
Yep, looks great.
Looks good. Okay, you can do something now.